Hi guys, my name is Emma and on this channel I'm going to show you my trading on binary options. Also, I work out all the situations with technical analysis and the indicators, and in this video I'm going to tell you more about MACD indicator. We have already discussed this, I have already worked out some situations with this indicator, but now you will see more transactions and I will try to explain you more carefully how to work and open trades carefully, correctly, to gain this profit. And you remember that I have my private chat in Telegram, and if you want to get into this, find the link in the description under this video and write me the code word private. I will add you there, and there I post trading signals with profitability of 80-90%. There I post some interesting information that you may find valuable for yourself. So get to this, do not hesitate. And also I have a Telegram channel with reviews from the people who are already members of this private chat, and they post their experience, their results. So get into there and check it yourself. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, rate, a comment, and we're ready to start our trading. Well, hi everyone, today we will be trading with the indicator MACD, and we have already discussed this. This indicator tells the strength of the trend and direction, and also it helps to determine the price reversals and the entry points. Well, we cannot trade without the technical analysis, you remember this, and that's why first of all we carry out the technical analysis, pay attention to the levels of support and resistance, as well as a lot of internal levels, and only then we pay attention to this indicator display. We have to combine these things all together. Well, let's start and switch it on. Well, I have to click this button in the upper left corner, and here this is the list of indicators. We're choosing MACD. This way we can see the display of this indicator. Well, to configure this we click this button, and here is the menu. So let's leave all the settings by default. I just make the moving averages a little bit thicker for you to see that better. So here I'm saving that. Well, now this indicator is ready to work. So let's understand that what is the signal to open the trades here. Well, the signal is the when green moving average is crossing over red one from top to bottom, and all of this is happening at the top of our indicator display. And also you can see horizontal line with the 0 mark. There must be red bars down, and the next bar is longer than the previous one, and it tells that in the near future the price will be falling. Well, the same things with the opposite direction. When the moving averages are crossing at the bottom part of this indicator display, and the horizontal 0 mark shows the green columns down, it says the price will be growing in the near future. So of course there are several more options for using this indicator. You, for example, can use only the histogram without paying attention to moving averages. Well, when the red bars are changing into the red ones and each next column becomes less than the previous one, it says that the price will be rising in the near future, and at this moment you can open trades with up. So the same is with the opposite direction as well. Well, all the situations, everyone must be considered individually. You understand that this use of this indicator is quite diverse, and it all depends on the specific situation on the market. Well, you shouldn't trust this indicator only because it can give you some errors. For example, if you can see if you're observing the uptrend, you should open trades with down even if the indicator gives you the entry points at this moment, because if it is an uptrend, it's better to trade due to this trend and open the trades with up. The same thing is with the downtrend. Well guys, in this video we will work out some situations with this indicator MACD, and here you will understand how to work with this and how to open the trades. Well, let's start and open the first trade. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and as well it was the very good confident uptrend. The price touched this level and then bounced down. Now it is approaching this level again. Well, let's look at the indicator display, and you can notice the moving average of green color has crossed over red moving average from the bottom up, and all this has happened at the bottom of our indicator display, and also on the horizontal line with 0 mark there are green bars up, and each next bar is longer than the previous one. Well, this tells that the price will be rising in the near future. Well, let's open trade for 3 minutes with up, and I think the price will be rising for a while towards our resistance level. Well, I have chosen this time with the reserve because there can be the small flat and then the upward movement will continue. Well, let's check it. Well, guys, the price has gotten to the flat zone, but we have managed to close this trade profitable. Well, the closing point of this trade turned out to be higher than the opening point, but the price grew and this indicator helped to determine this movement. Well, guys, let's continue and find the next station. Well, guys, here you can see the level of support, and this is the downward movement. The price highs are becoming lower, and this is the sticking to this level. Well, by the way, the price is approaching this level, and let's look at the indicator display. This is the intersection of the moving averages, and on the horizontal zero line there are red bars downwards appearing. Well, let's open the trade for 2 minutes with down, and I think that the price will be approaching this level in the near future, and this time is with the reserve because the small flat can happen or a small roll back up, and then the down movement have to continue. Well, let's check it. Well, guys, it's very good. The price really continued its moving down, and we have closed this trade profitable. So this indicator has showed a very good entry point and helped me to understand the price movement. Well, let's continue our trading. Well, guys, here you can see that from this point there was the reversal and the price is moving up. Well, let's look at the indicator. There's the intersection of the moving averages, and the horizontal zero line shows the green bars up. Well, it says that there will be moving up of the price. Well, let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes because the price has a very good potential for an increase here, and I expect that the price will be moving up, and let's check it. Well, guys, it's very good. You can see the price really continued moving up, and we have got the profit from this situation. Well, 2 minutes were enough for this, and also this indicator has showed a very good entry point and helped me to determine the price movement. Well, let's keep on now trading. Well, guys, here you can see the level of support, and the price highs are becoming lower, and from this point there was the reversal. So let's look at the histogram. So you see the green bars have changed into the red ones, and they are decreasing, and it says that the volumes for a decrease are growing. Well, let's open a trade for 3 minutes with down, and I think the price will be moving downwards, and also in this situation the pullback up or a small flat are possible, and then the movement up will continue because the general trend for a decrease is here. So let's check it. Well, guys, it's quite good. The upward rollback has happened, and then the down movement continued, and we have got the profit from this situation. Well, the indicator helped me to determine the further price movement, and even despite the large rollback upwards, the price continued its downward movement in the near future, and 3 minutes were enough for this situation. And that's why I have opened this trade with this reserve, because I'm expecting that if suddenly the movement occurred to the resistance level, and only then the down movement will continue, which in turn happened, and thus I re-entered my trade. So guys, let's continue and consider the next situation. Well, guys, here you can see the level of support, and there was a rollback from this level, and the moment the price is falling again to this. So let's look at the indicator display. There is the crossing of the moving averages, and from the horizontal zero line there are red bars downward, and each next bar is longer than the previous one. Well, in this situation I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the support level, and that's why let's open a trade for 2 minutes, and this will be with the reserve because there can be the small flat, and only then the down movement will continue. So guys, let's check what can happen. Well, guys, it's not bad. At least our platform got stuck a little, but anyway, the down movement continued and we have got the profit. So 2 minutes were enough for the citation, and also the indicator suggested a good entry point and helped me to determine the further price movement. Well, the price is moving in wavy way, and I think that in the near future it will continue its movement to this level, but I would like to find another entry point. So here you can see the level of support, and also there is a downward movement. The price highs are getting lower, and this is the sticking to this level. Also pay attention to the histogram, and here you can see the green bars are changing into the red ones and they are decreasing. Well, it says that the price will be falling very soon. So I think that in this situation the price is more likely to keep on moving towards the support level. Well, guys, let's check what can happen. Well, guys, it's very good. The price really moved downwards and broke through this level. So we have got a very brilliant profit, and you can see the indicator suggested a very good entry point and helped me to determine the further price movement. Well, you can see the volumes for a decrease really began to grow and the price began to fall. So, but anyway, everything is going well. Let's continue and find the next citation in the market. Well, guys, here you can see the support level, and from this level there was a rollback and the price was moving up. So after a while it is again approaching the support level. So let's look at the indicator display. There is the crossing of the moving averages, and from horizontal zero line there are red bars down. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down movement, and I think the price will continue to move to this level, and 3 minutes is with the reserve because there can be the small flat or a roll back up, and after that the down movement will probably continue. Also this level will be probably broken through. So let's check what can happen. Well, guys, it's very good. The price continued moving down and this level was broken through, so we have got the very brilliant profit. Also, this indicator showed a very good entry point as always, and that's why we have got the profit. Well, let's continue and consider the next citation. So here we can see that there was a very good uptrend, and we can see the resistance level. The price touched this level, and right now it is a slight rollback downward happening. So let's look at the indicator. Is the crossing of the moving averages and the horizontal zero line. You can see the red bars down, so, and each next bar is longer than the previous one, and it tells that the price will be falling. So let's open a trade. We're down for 2 minutes, and I think that in this situation there will be at least a small rollback down, and it is possible that the price will also fall to the internal support level, and in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough, and after that the price will be probably broken through. So let's check it. Well, guys, it's very good. The price really continued its downward movement and we have got the profit. So from this point there was a reversal and the price went down. Also, this indicator suggested a very good entry point and we have got the profit again. So everything is going very well. Let's continue. So here you can see the support level, and after the small flat the price came out and confidently moving to the level. Also, there is still place to the support level, and there is a crossing of the moving averages, and from horizontal zero line there are red bars down growing. So it tells us that in the near future the price will be still falling. So let's open a trade. We're down for 2 minutes, and this time will be with reserve because there can be the flat or their small rollback up, and after that the down movement will most likely continue to the support level because the price has a very good potential for a decrease here. Well, guys, let's check it. Well, guys, it's not bad. There was a really small roll back up, and after that the down movement continued. So this level was broken through. We have got the brilliant profit again. So this indicator helped us in this situation, and we have understood the further price movement. Well, let's consider the next situation on the market. Well, here we can see the resistance level, and there was also very good confident uptrend, and from this level there was a reversal and the price is moving down. Well, after this rollback the price is starting to grow. Well, let's look at the histogram. it tells us that in the near future the volumes will grow to increase. So in this situation, let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up, and I think that in this situation the price is more likely to continue its movement to the resistance level, and we need to check everything. Well guys, it's quite well, the price really moved upward, and here we have got the profit again. So thanks to this indicator we have understood its hints very carefully. So let's continue. So guys, here you can see the support level, and after a rollback up, the price impossibly approached this level. Well, the histogram also shows that in the near future the price will be falling because the volumes for a decrease are growing. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down, and I think that very soon this level will be broken through, and this time is with the reserve because there can be the flat here or a rollback up. So, and after that the down movement will continue probably. Let's check. Well guys, it's very excellent. So the price continued moving down, we have got the profit. So again, the indicator suggested a good entry point. Well, let's continue and move on to the next situation. Well, here you can see the support level, and it is the downward movement. The price highs are becoming lower, and from this point there was a reversal. So let's look at the indicator display. There is the crossing of the moving averages, and from horizontal zero line there are red bars down appearing. So I think the price will continue to move towards the support level, and that's why let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes, and this time is with the reserve because there can be a rollback up from, and then the down movement will probably continue. So let's check it. Well, it's very good. The price is moving in the wavy way, and we have got the profit. So 3 minutes were enough for this trade too. So the price continued moving down, and the indicators showed a very good entry point. So everything's going very fine. So let's continue. So here you can see the level of resistance, and there was a rollback down, and after that the price is moving towards this level. Well, this is sticking to this level. So let's look at the histogram. The red bars have changed to the grid ones, and they are decreasing. So it tells that the volumes for the increase are growing. So in the near future the price will be moving up. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up movement, and I think that in this station the price will keep on moving towards this level, and maybe these will be broken through. Well, it's excellent. The price continued its upward movement, and this level was broken through. We have got the profit in 2 minutes. Were enough for this trade. Well, the indicator showed a very good entry point and helped me to determine the further price movement. Well, let's keep on out trading. So guys, here you can see there was a very good uptrend. The price touched the resistance level and then bounced down. So, and after that the price is again approaching this level, well, and sticking to this. So let's look at the histogram. Red bars have changed to the grid ones, and they are decreasing. Well, this tells that the volumes are growing to increase, and in the near future the price will be growing. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with up, and I think that in this station the price will probably keep on moving to the resistance level, and of course it can be broken through, I mean the resistance level, and I can see here good potential for an increase. Let's check. Well guys, it's not bad. The price continued its upward movement, and here we have got the profit from this situation. So 2 minutes were enough for this. Well, the indicator again suggested a good entry point and helped to determine the further price movement, and the volumes to increase really started to grow, and the price continued moving up. Well, let's keep on out trading. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and you can notice that from this point there was the reversal and the price was falling down. Well, now this is the upward movement happening, and I think that in the near future the price may continue to moving towards the resistance level. And let's look at the indicator display. There's a crossing of moving averages in the lower part of the indicator display, and then from the horizontal zero line there are green bars upwards. So this tells that in the near future the price will be rising. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up. This time is with the reserve because there can be the small flat, and after that the upward movement will surely continue. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good, the price continued its upward movement and we have got the profit from this situation. Well, the indicator suggested a good entry point and helped us in this trade. Well, in any case, I think that in the near future the price will continue moving towards this level, but I would like to find the next entry point here. Well, here you can see the support level and this is the downward movement, and from this point there was a reversal. So let's look at the histogram. The green bars are changing to the red ones and they're becoming smaller in their size. Well, this tells that the volumes are growing downward, and I think that the near future from the line of a downtrend the price will keep on moving down to the support level. Well, that's why let's open a trade with a reserve for 3 minutes where down, take into account that there can be the small flat and then the down movement will continue. Well guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's very good, the price moved from the downtrend line. We have got the profit here, so the volumes for a fall really started to grow and the price went down. Well, this indicator suggested a good entry point and helped to determine the first price movement. You could see that. Well, now my deposit is $6,000, so let's open the last trade for today. Let me find something interesting for that. Well, here you can see the resistance level and also there was a very good upward movement. So from this point there was a reversal and at the moment the price is moving towards this level, and I think that in the near future it will keep on moving up since the price has a very good potential for an increase here. Well, let's look at the indicator. The histogram tells that very soon the volumes for an increase will be growing, and in this situation let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes and I think that the price will keep on moving up and the price lows are getting higher here, and also possible that this level will be broken through in the end. Well, let's check it. Well, it's very good, the price really continued moving up and this level was broken through, so we have got the brilliant profit and 2 minutes were enough for this. So our indicator again helped us with this addition and we have understood the further price movement. Well, my deposit is $10,000, so that's why let's finish here. So it's the excellent result and we have done our best in this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was useful to you and you have understood how to work with this MACD indicator. But if you have any questions left, so come to my Telegram chat and ask me all these questions. I will answer everything and everyone I will write. If you're not yet member of this private chat, find the link in the description under this video and write me the code word private. I will add it to my private Telegram team and you'll be trading with me there. And there also you can find the motivation for yourself, because there will be among such guys who are interested in it and you will trade every day, I'm sure. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and I'll see you next time.